Hello everyone. Let's talk about a couple of stocks here that we traded this morning. Had a pretty decent day today, I would say. PETS was the first stock that I actually had on watch list this morning, and if you look at here, right at the open, this is what happened. We had it on watch, and I was actually live streaming this thing this morning. This stock was pretty interesting to me this morning. A couple of things happened. I was watching this thing. It opened around this candle here, if you notice, right at the open, 1545, and we had a low exactly that point, 1545. Started surging. There's a 1 minute time frame here. Had a nice pop to 1595 and a micro pullback right away. But if you look at this red candlestick right here, the reason why I have the 1545 here is because it was prior resistance, right, prior support right at the open. We got two candles right here, 1 and 2. The pullback candle, which is the red candle here, right here, the 1 minute time frame, tested the same level of 1545 and was able to hold support right there. From there, we got a nice push over here, and we had a high of 1645 over the first couple of minutes in the day. We took a stab at this trade here for a decent 30-cent move, which I'm grateful for, because Thursday I didn't make any trades because I was pretty slow, and then on Friday I only had one trade, and the trade that I made, I wasn't feeling too comfortable. I have the recap here. I can't remember the exact stock that I traded, but I only made $25, and after commissions, well, I just kept about $15 on my pocket. But today I had a better trade. The stock actually provided a good opportunity this morning. Then I was looking on FDI because it popped on the scanner, and this is what happened this morning. I'm gonna pull a little closer this stock so you can see what actually happened. So this morning we were looking at this stock that I liked, and the reason why it made this nice pennant here gave me a sense of there was going to be a good opportunity. I took a stop around here, but right at this doji here, and I'm going to be looking, there's this red candle here prior to the doji. This is where I decided that it wasn't a good idea, because I like the fact that I wanted to get a trade over the 25.66 mark here. And if you notice here, it broke, but it was just consolidating around this area here. And I was waiting for a breakout, but again, we had a shooting star formation here on the 1 minute, and that's what you can see as well right here at the 5 minute time frame, a shooting star formation around here. I was looking for these things, and I got a couple of levels here that I was watching because it was actually consolidating and trading inside of this channel. When it pushed up, I was looking for a breakout of these levels here, but exactly, and that's pullback here, and bring in a 2 minute time frame here, gave me this candle here, give me this hanging man here exactly. And if you look at inside of this candle, as you just probably took a look at, we had a doji candlestick. When I see this here, I set this level here at 25.62, which was the level of support, the lowest level of this candle here at the 2 minute time frame, which was a hanging man for the level that I was looking for. If it tested that level, I was gonna bail out. That was what I said, because when I was actually live streaming, and this flush really happened here, tapped and was able to break here the level of 25.62 that I wanted to hold at least for support. And you know, it broke right there, rolled over, and I vanished. I took a small hit there and just got out. But then LCI, which is a stock that popped on the last few weeks, just popped on the scanners, and we were looking at this stock since it was on the trade on the $6 around this area here, and this was actually around 800,000 shares traded on the day when I started looking at it. The trade, it started trending up, and this is all live stream and all it's all archived on YouTube. It was around this area here. When it was popping here, consolidating around this area, started moving up, and I went back to the daily time frame, the daily chart, and I set the daily levels for resistance, which were 706 and 720 and 782. After 782, we have another level here that we are looking at right here, as well as 895. And if you notice here, this consolidation here, this right here is a very nice bull flag. It started pushing up. As of right now that I'm making the video, we had a move. As of right now, we had a move here of nice push up and started picking up volume. This right here is a nice bull flag here. If you notice, this one, it actually was able to hold a nice support, and it had a great push up to a high of 794. I was looking for a breakout of the 794 level, to be honest with you, but it was too close to intraday. It was just 10 minutes prior to noon, and this thing started to develop right here. I thought that we might be able to have another bull flag here, but by 1 penny we were not able to break the 794 here. We had a high right here of 793 in this candle, but if you look at this trend here, it was actually a very nice trader, small mover, but it actually held the trend very nicely. And around here, this little consolidation, when he started this nice stepper, and this was when the traders started to watch this particular stock, and it seems like a lot of people jump into this particular trade because it was an excellent move. It was very clean pattern, as you can see here. It was not choppy or nothing. I also watched SOY today, but you know, it was just inside of a wedge pattern, and when it actually was able to break the wedge pattern, it would just broke down the wedge pattern and started flatlining. So I didn't like it too much. I let it go. But this was actually the best move today, the best trader that I had today, the best trade that I was able to grasp today, and along with PedMed, PETS, and a small loss on FTI. Just wanted to bring you this quick move here, quick recap today, guys. And I want to thank you and for you taking the time to listen to this recap here, and taking the time for you guys that were live with me today while I was live streaming. I'm really grateful for you guys, and I want to thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day, and happy trading, guys.